Hi, Edie Beans with the Little House of Beans. Today on Cooking with Edie, I will be making Italian chocolate chip ricotta cake. I know. This dish is inspired by my niece Alyssa, who recently flew to Italy to study abroad this semester. The recipe and the links to all the products you see me using here will be in the description below. Do us a warm, sweet favor. Click that thumbs up button, click the notification bell. Please subscribe to the Little House of Beans. And if you love all my videos, please be inspired to subscribe to our Facebook group, Omnia Stovetop Oven Fans. I am so happy to start making this recipe, Italian chocolate chip ricotta cake. Let's cook. So I have a little bit of flour in this bowl and about a half a cup of little mini chocolate chips. I'll be tossing in the flour, and this will prevent the chips from sinking to the bottom of the cake.